Are you frustrated that your Roidmi Eve Plus robot vacuum won't collect dust? Looking for a solution to return the robot vacuum to maximum performance? Don't worry. Let's look at how we resolve the same problems for our customers. We had customers reaching out to us with the same issue. Their Roidmi Eve Plus refusing to collect dust. So, what did we do? We took over the Roidmi Eve Plus robot vacuum. When we tried to collect dust, the robot vacuum kept giving us an error message like this. And after further inspection, we found a faulty suction motor. So, we recommended a suction motor replacement. But that's not all, we also recommend a deep cleaning service, since the robot is quite old. We will clean and dismantle the robot vacuum so it can work like new again. Once we received approval from the customer, we kick off the service and repair process. Before returning the robot vacuum to the customer, we also unit test it to ensure it works. Voila! The Roidmi Eve Plus robot vacuum is back in action, collecting dust with style. Are you having the same problem? Let us be your solution.